everyone! The 31st World University Summer Games will be held in Chengdu from July 28th to August 8th. The competition will feature 18 sports, including table tennis, archery, badminton, and diving. Now let's follow the camera to take a look at the table tennis venue. Let's go!
Let's go. I'm ready. Go! Oh, I was not ready. I was not ready. I was not ready. It was fast. Much more fast than I imagined. It was actually very challenging, and even though I am not really able to play ping pong, it was really funny. A very good experience. I think we from abroad must learn a little bit from Chinese culture of ping pong because they are really amazing in this job. Oh, by the way, on the 28th of this month, July, the World University Games is officially beginning. And this is a very great opportunity, not only for Chengdu local people, but also, of course, for university students coming from each country of the world to be part of this great experience. So I wish everybody, students, young people, local people, do a great job and fighting!